Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day. I be today evaluator, participant and viewer. My name is Mazmirul Rahman of International Islamic University Malaysia, and I supervised by both Dr. Muhammad Zahir Ramli from the Institute of Oceanography and Maritime Study and Dr. Muhammad Shariza bin Abdul Razak from the University Putra Malaysia. The topic that I will be presenting today is entitled as the sensitivity analysis and application of Xbeach at Pantai Cherok Paloh, Pahang, Malaysia. Okay, I will begin by introducing the Xbeach software and the extreme event it can handle, followed by the problem faced by the beaches in Pahang, the method undertaken, the result obtained from the simulation, and subsequently its discussion and recommendation. Xbeach is a software developed by Delft University of Technology that stimulates hydrodynamic and morphological process occurring on the sandy beaches. It is a 2D H-based model that focuses on the morphological changes near shore and on dune due to the storm event. Storm surge is the occurrence of the abnormal rise of seawater that is often caused by the strong wind of hurricane and tropical storm. The recent storm event occurring on the 11th to 30th December of 2021, which affect Pahang greatly, is the Super Typhoon Rai, which is also known as Odette. Its peak was found to be on the 60th December 2021. The effect of the typhoon result in tropical depression 29 with sustaining wind speed of 50 to 60 km per hour. It made its way and landfall at Terengganu on 17th December and moves toward the Strait of Malacca. The area is focus is place located 20 km south of Kuantan, called Cherok Paloh, and the location are also the location for the Institute of Oceanography and Maritime Study in OSEM. Okay, the reason of choosing the place is accordance to the preliminary study done using the DSAS, Digital Shoreline Analysis System. It is found that the site is among the most vulnerable site to the coastal erosion. For the methodology for this research, the field observation and numerical modeling as undertaken. Okay. Bathymetry survey was done using the eco sounder and the topography by the total station, and this data is input to the numerical model. Okay, for the Xbeach method coupled with SWAN. So SWAN is basically for the use for the wave extraction. So the wave that stimulated by SWAN is validated using the ADCP. So the result from the validation for wave RMSE is equal to 0.08 meter, while the index of agreement equal to 0.86. Okay, basically this is my grid for the Xbeach. So the grid size is varying from 5 to 100 meter. They can cut off the computational time because we need a finer grid at the study area compared to the offshore. Okay. This is my Xbeach bed level. So according to the bed level that I've been sampled before using the bathymetry and topographic survey, the maximum is 7 meter high to negative 11 meter for the seabed. Okay. The water depth required for the Xbeach to run is more than 10 meter. Okay. So for 1D, it's used for calibration of Xbeach numerical model. So calibrated parameter that been changed can be analyzed using the Brier scale score. So the Brier scale score indicate if the model is more than 1. So it's indicate that the model are good and accepted. So the geomorphology parameter that I changed for Xbeach is basically dry slope, wet slope, and also Fakwa. So I also give a user value. For dry slope is 0.9, wet slope 0.4, and Fakwa is 0.2. Okay, this is generally a transect line that I use for 1D model. So this is an area image in front of the Inosem. This is Pantai Cherok Paloh beaches. Okay, this result for the 1D for transect 1 and transect 2. For transect 1, the Brier score is equal to 0.976. For transect 2, the Brier score is 0.968. Okay. Next is for transect 3 and transect 4. For the transect 3, Brier score is 0.825, and for the transect 4 is 0.968. Okay, for the 2D H result, so I choose the erosion simulation result to show and portray the real event that occur, so I can validate my model. As we can see here, this picture is taken on 23rd of December 2021 and nearby the transect 2. As we can see on the model itself, it shows erosion more than 1 meter. So on transect 2 and transect 3, it shows that it have eroded the beaches. Okay, and then for here, the pictures taken on 3rd of January 2022 shows that it indicate the accretion at the river bank near the river mouth of the Pahang Tua River. Okay, the model also show significant with the image taken of the field survey. Okay, for the discussion and recommendation, so this the set up of Xbeach of Cherok Paloh beaches is calibrated accordingly, and the Brier scale score signify that it's sufficient to be replicated onto other area. Okay, the simulation is in line with the preliminary study that identify the area be experiencing coastal erosion with a rate of greater than 5 meter. So my recommendation here require a wave calibration and validation for Xbeach. As for our institute, we are lacking of instrument, so I can only calibrate my morphology. For Xbeach, we also can calibrate the wave, or even though we already have a higher wave calibration validate from the Swan, but if we can validate to the Xbeach itself, it can give a higher Brier score. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.